What's up guys, and it happened. Samsung has officially announced the new Samsung Galaxy A80. Yes, the A90 is actually the A80 phone, that's the name they went for. And oh my god, this thing is insane. It's hands down the most unique and the best implementation of the pop-up camera design that only Samsung has pulled off. But in order to achieve this amazing design, there's been two major sacrifices that we're gonna talk about later in the video, but let's examine the whole design of the brand new Galaxy A80. So from the front side, you can see it has no notch, no hole, full on, uninterrupted, amazing AMOLED full screen madness. But wait, there's still a little bit of chin down there, so it's not completely bezel-less, but still it is pretty close. And just like the other Galaxy A series phones, there is no Bixby key here, which is nice. And for those who are thinking why the chin is there, the chin is actually having all the display drivers, and in order to get rid of the chin, Samsung would have to fold the display towards the bottom, something Apple does with their iPhone to hide the chin. That's a very complex process and it definitely increases the price. So keeping all that in mind, Samsung went with a slight chin at the bottom, and the rest looks pretty bezel-less. So it is a 6.7-inch display, Super AMOLED with 1080p HD resolution. It's a pretty sharp display, but it's not gonna be as good as the Galaxy S10 family because we have dynamic AMOLED tech for that. So that is something Samsung has reserved for its flagship phone. We're gonna see that on the Note 10 family. But again, this will be really sharp as well. And just in general, design-wise, it is more futuristic than any other phone out there. It looks absolutely incredible. Now, the rotating camera mechanism has 3 cameras inside that can be used for both front and back photos. So you get the same quality with your selfies and your rear camera photos. There's one 48 megapixel sensor coming at f2.0 aperture, along with 8 megapixel wide angle lens and a TOF sensor for proper 3D depth sensing. So it's gonna be a really powerful camera setup and could actually be the best selfie phone because again, the rear cameras can be used for selfies as well, and with that TOF lens, you're gonna get the best depth of field on a Samsung phone. And again, thanks to the TOF sensor, you get something called video live focus, which is something again Galaxy S10 family cannot do because they don't have the TOF sensor. It's only available to the 5G variant. Now, the whole sliding and rotating process does take a bit of time, so it's not gonna be as fluid as your normal front camera phone, so do keep that in mind. Now, in order to achieve this bezel-less form, Samsung had to make 2 sacrifices. First up, Samsung had to get rid of that headphone jack in order to create more space. It makes sense. And then the second thing they did is that they removed the micro SD card slot option, so you cannot expand the storage on this phone. It comes with 128GB of storage, and that's all the storage that you're gonna get on this phone. For me personally, I don't really use micro SD card because the 128GB of storage is actually a lot, but just keep in mind that Samsung removed that on this phone, and also there is no headphone jack. Now, this phone is packing incredible power. It's coming with the newly announced, never seen before Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G. It's not really a mid-range chip, it is a high-end smartphone chip that might actually be really close to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 performance in real life. With Samsung's One UI optimization, I do believe this phone will be really fast. Combined with that 8 gigs of RAM, multitasking will be amazing, so it'll be fun to do the speed test and see how powerful and capable Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chip really is. But in general, the gaming performance, apps opening, everything will be really quick process on this phone. It's got a 3700 mAh battery, and along with that, it also comes with the 25 watts of super fast charging, so you're getting the best fast charging performance on a Samsung phone. And with this huge battery size, I'm definitely expecting at least a day of battery out of this bad boy. Now, as for the price, as SamMobile.com reported, it's gonna cost 649 euros, which is around $730, which means it's gonna cost almost the same price as the Galaxy S10e, which is really interesting because S10e is a great phone. So I'm really looking forward to get my hands on this phone and compare to the Galaxy S10e and see if this phone actually is worth over that. Now, Samsung also announced the Galaxy A70, which is looking pretty good as well. Instead of the rotating camera design, you're getting a notch Infinity U design with the 32 megapixel camera up front. It has the largest battery size on a Galaxy A lineup, so coming with 4500 mAh size with 25 watts of super fast charging. You also get the headphone jack as well as the micro SD card slot for storage expansion. It's definitely not rocking the same chip as the A80, but it looks very capable as well. But the strongest and the most futuristic of them all is is the Galaxy A80. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy A80? Do you think it's a better choice over the Galaxy S10e? I would love to hear your thoughts. And a quick reminder regarding the Galaxy Buds giveaway. So if you want to enter, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment on my giveaway. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.